This is Richard Shugart presenting SMB Digest Daily, your online audio and visual first communication highlighting items of interest to the math biology community for the Society for Mathematical Biology. Welcome to the SMB Digest podcast. The SMB Digest podcast provides an audio and visual review of the week for SMB Digest by combining the week's SMB Digest dailies into a single broadcast. At this time, we are using the same intro and outro as SMB Digest. Please note that we have discontinued SMB Digest Daily, although the intro and outro still need to be changed for this new segment. However, we are continuing segments from SMB Digest Daily. Today's audio and visual segment is titled SMB Digest What's New in the Queue, where we display the newest advertisements to appear in the next SMB Digest. Today we have 7 advertisements. 2 positions are open in the Biomedicine's Design, Preclinical Modeling, and Simulation team at Pfizer. The first is appropriate for recent PhDs and postdocs. The second is more appropriate for experienced researchers, equivalent to tenure-track and tenured positions in academia. Both positions can be found at linkedin.com/jobs. The first is for job number 748260904. The second is for job number 747444484. The Intercollegiate Biomathematics Alliance is launching a new undergraduate research grant program called Project BEAM. Project BEAM will provide funds to cultivate undergraduate research at member institutions. In Track 1, a faculty member is eligible for up to $1,000 if the home institution provides matching funds. In Track 2, a faculty member is eligible for $400 research support, funding, or stipend. Applications will be accepted for 3 grant periods for the fall, spring, and summer sessions. For more information, visit biomathalliance.org. There are 2 tutorials at the NetTab 2018 workshop building a fair bioinformatics environment. The first tutorial is on October 22nd and is titled Bioschemas, a lightweight approach to enable fairer data resources. The second tutorial is on October 24th and is titled The Elixir Data Stewardship Wizard, How to Guide Life Science Researchers Toward Fair Data Management. The registration fee for each tutorial is €10. The NetTab 2018 workshop is October 22nd through the 24th in Genoa, Italy. More information about the tutorials and workshop can be found at igst.it/nettab/2018. There's a full-time postdoctoral fellow position at the University of Queensland, Australia, to work on an Australian Research Council funded project that will involve the development, derivation, and simulation of particle-based and continuum models for actin-myosin dynamics. The goal is to investigate contractility and pattern formation in the cell cortex. For more information, please go to jobs.uq.edu.au and search for job number 504714. The closing date for applications is the 2nd of August at 11:55 p.m. Eastern Australian Standard Time. For the Volume 80, Issue 8, August 2018 edition of the Bulletin of Mathematical Biology, see link.springer.com/journal/11538/80/8. 3 of the 10 articles are open access. There's a free e-panel with live Q&A Keystone Symposia webcast on health disparities, type 2 diabetes research and policy on August 7th from 2:30 to 4 American Eastern Daylight Time. The event webcast is virtual.keystonesymposia, all one word, .org. There's an Introduction to R Programming short course on the 27th of July at the Advanced Analytics Institute on the University of Technology Sydney campus in Australia. For more information about all Advanced Analytics Institute short courses, go to shortcourses-bookings.uts.edu.au and search for the Advanced Analytics Institute. Lastly, the SMB Digest What's New in the Queue is updated preferably once per day at smb.org/queue. There are two items of interest that do not appear in the audio and visual version of SMB Digest What's New in the Queue. Applications are invited for a tenure-track faculty appointment in modeling infectious disease, data, and decision-making at the assistant professor level in the Department of Mathematics and Statistics at York University to commence July 1st, 2019 or thereafter. Applications must be received by October 15th, 2018. Only applications received through the AMS MathJobs website, mathjobs.org, will be considered. More information about the position can be found at mathjobs.org/jobs/12113. Two items of interest from the journal Computer Science and Information System are solving the DNA fragment assembly problem with a parallel discrete Firefly algorithm implemented on GPU, and CPG Islands clustering uncovers early development genes in the human genome. These articles can be found at comsys.org. Please note we have discontinued SMB Digest Daily, although the intro and outro still need to be changed for this new segment. However, we're continuing segments from SMB Digest Daily. Today's audio and visual segment is titled SMB Digest What's New in the Queue, where we display the newest advertisements to appear in the next SMB Digest. Today we have 3 advertisements. There's an update from Juan C. Mesa, the NSF DMS Division Director for the last 5 months. In his update, Juan reminds us that many of the program proposal deadlines were changed this year. This information can be found searching for NSF 18065, and this is at nsf.gov. Also, there are 4 new centers for mathematics of complex biological systems. The goal of these centers is to combine expertise from mathematicians, molecular cell biologists, and organismal biologists to study how genes translate into all of the diverse phenotypes we see today. This information can be found at nsf.gov/news. There's a postdoc position modeling gene drive and evolution of insecticide resistance in mosquitoes. The position is for 2 years at North Carolina State University. To apply, email a cover letter including a list of 2 or 3 people who we could contact to request letters of recommendation and a CV to fred_gould@ncsu.edu and alan_lloyd@ncsu.edu. Finally, mathematical reviews and ZB Math work together to maintain the mathematics subject classification. The next version, MSc 2020, is being developed and organizers are seeking input from active researchers. The editors solicit input from researchers in all areas of mathematics, but especially in applied mathematics and interdisciplinary studies, and have emphasized that data science is an area that needs particular updating. For more information, please visit msc2020.org. To submit suggestions, send an email to feedback@msc2020.org. Lastly, the SMB Digest What's New in the Queue is updated preferably once a day at smb.org/queue. Welcome to SMB Digest Deadlines for the week of July 23rd. This is the list of deadlines for the week that have appeared in or associated with an SMB Digest advertisement. Please note that the intro and outro will soon be changed from the old SMB Digest Daily intro and outro. This week we have 5 deadlines. The mini-symposium proposal deadline for the SIAM Conference on Computational Science and Engineering is July 25th. The conference is February 25th through March 1st in Spokane, Washington. Go to siam.org/conferences and search for CSE 19. The deadline for submission and registration for the International IRICE Conference on Mathematical and Computational Epidemiology is July 25th. The conference is August 28th through September 5th in Sicily. Go to irice2018.wordpress.org for more details about the conference.
The deadline for applications for a PhD position at Imperial College London is July 25th. The position is for a Marie Curie early-stage researcher quantitative T-cell immunology. The researcher will investigate the dynamics and lineage of T-cell memory T cells in humans. More information about the position can be found at findaphd.com and search for ID number 99062. The undergraduate capstone conference at the Mathematical Bioscience Institute abstract submission deadline is July 25th. The conference is August 6th through the 9th at The Ohio State University. To apply, please visit mbi.osu.edu/event and search for event ID number 1221. There's an Introduction to R Programming short course on the 27th of July at the Advanced Analytics Institute on the University of Technology, Sydney campus in Australia. For more information about all Advanced Analytics Institute short courses, go to shortcourses-bookings.uts.edu.au and search for the Advanced Analytics Institute. Lastly, keep up with all the SMB Digest deadlines at smb.org/deadlines.
This has been Richard Shugart presenting SMB Digest Daily for the Society for Mathematical Biology and SMB Digest.